Hi, this is Jennifer again, one of the Dr. Grandel trainers in the US. I hope you enjoyed the BeautyGen product so far, but I'm sure you're wondering what's the skin's BeautyGen and how do all the other ingredients work to get those fabulous results. So let's get into it. Snow algae extract is the main ingredient in all BeautyGen products and actually gave the line its name because it activates our BeautyGen. A snow algae is an algae that grows on top of glaciers, and since it is covered by snow during winter time, it is protected by it from the sun and it's green. But in summertime, when snow is melting, it is exposed to strong UV rays. Snow algae has the ability and high potency to protect itself from it. It starts producing a high amount of carotenoids that protect it from UV burns and turns the algae red. And it goes into a dormant state, meaning it stops growing. Instead, it concentrates on synthesizing other antioxidants, polyphenols, and biopolymers. These are important metabolites. A scientist in Switzerland researched the snow algae extensively and found that the extract in the red phase mimics the effect of calorie restriction. So now we landed in nutrition even though we're in skincare. Yes, because our skin reveals what's going on within, and what we eat has a huge impact on our skin. I will show you a little bit about that later. The Swiss company encapsulated the red phase extract in a liposome to maintain its activity and transport it quickly to the living cells. It decreases wrinkle depth, it inhibits collagenase, it's the enzyme that destroys collagen fibers, and here you can see how the snow algae looks like when it's in its red phase. People call this phenomenon also blood snow. But now look at these test results with 2% snow algae extract. The deeper the wrinkle, the darker the blue. It also has shown to increase the papillary layer, which is important to exchange nutrients from the dermis to the epidermis. You might ask yourself, how does it do that? As I mentioned before, it mimics the effect of calorie restriction. If we eat less calories, for example, when we intermittently fast, the cells can actually concentrate on repair instead of digestion. Every time we eat, the IGF, the insulin growth factor, is activated. If it is high all the time, it leads to oxidative stress. It is toxifying, which results in aging, inhibits the immune system, and increases the risk of cancer. If we lower our calories, the IGF is blocked, which activates FOXO. And FOXO switches genes off and on. If FOXO is activated, genes work on repair. Snow algae extract activates that FOXO switch just like calorie restriction does, but it does it by activating the hormone clotho and AMPK. The other ingredient you will find in all of the BeautyGen products is a combination of tripeptide 1 and tetrapeptide 7, also called matrix 3000. These are replicas of the skin matrikines, which are peptides that occur naturally in the extracellular matrix. They are basically messengers that turn on processes of wound healing. And wound healing in this case, because wrinkles and dry skin and all other signs of aging are called the injuries of time. UV rays, diet, and so forth are just speeding up the aging process. But before we move on to the next main ingredient in BeautyGen, I would like to explain peptides a little more just so you can have a better understanding and are able to explain to your customers what peptides are if they ask you. So you probably know peptides have something to do with proteins. And just like a protein, a peptide is a combination of amino acids, but a peptide is a lot smaller than a protein. 2 to 50 amino acids in a chain is a peptide, and if it is 51 or more, then it's considered a protein. On the right, you can see the amino acid table, and you see, depending on the combination, there are various peptides with various functions. The peptide names indicate what they are. A tripeptide is always a combination of three amino acids, and a tetrapeptide is always a combination of 4 amino acids. The numbers behind the name indicate which combination it is. So variation 1, for example, tripeptide 1 is always glycine, histidine, and lysine. And this one stimulates the fibroblasts, the cells that produce collagen fibers, for example. The last ingredient for today that is found in almost all BeautyGen products is the white rose oil. It has a high content of vitamins, especially vitamin C, minerals, and antioxidants. Therefore, it has wonderful anti-inflammatory properties that reduce redness and inflammation, and it also acts astringent, so refines the skin texture. These are the main ingredients, but as you have seen, we have many other active ingredients like brown algae extract, for example. So if you would like to learn more about those, or you have questions about the ones we just went through, please feel free to reach out to us. You can find our contact details on our website, which is www.vivari.us, or you can leave a comment with your question. Please subscribe to our channel to easily find our videos and to stay on top of everything. We would be super happy if you would share it with your fellow estheticians as well. Thank you so much. Bye-bye.